Happy sunny Thursday from my happy place, Erstavik's Ballet, out on the Baltic Sea. On this 28th of August, currently 2:30 p.m. and I was waiting 2 hours for the sun to appear, as I really wanted to have like sunny beach vlog today, as it has been sunny this whole week so far, but on the vlogs that I did earlier this week it was cloudy, so I really wanted to show you that the sun is here. So today I waited for it and it's gonna be sunny for at least 1 hour, as I can see here in the horizon. And obviously you can see and experience the beach better when it's sunny. And I'm all alone on this beautiful sandy beach in Nacka, in the Erstavik's nature reserve. It's absolutely stunning. It has been almost around 18 days since I have been here, and back then it was 19 degrees Celsius in the water. So let's see how much it's going to be today. Currently we have 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and this is, I think, the warmest day this week so far. I'm thinking something around 16 in the sea, but we shall see. And here you can see my Scott gravel bike that got me here 16.5 kilometers in 42 minutes. And yes, here we have the Lifebuoy, Nacka commune. And yeah, it feels surreal that I am on the sea because it has been not the best weather overall, but hopefully September will going to surprise us in some way. I'm thinking beach day number 104 for me today in Sweden only. I need to calculate also my beach adventures outside of Sweden and see how many days so far I have been on beaches this year. But it's so amazing to have a sunny beach vlog, so let's then hit the waters and see what we are dealing with. Now I can see that there is a lot of algae here towards the end of the water, so I really hope that's not the case further in. But the view with the sun, it's absolutely stunning. So let's then check out. I can already feel that it's chilly. Off we go with the thermometer already. Oh yeah, it's definitely 15 or below. It's quite chilly. So it's going to be only a short beach adventure, I mean swim for me, but I'm gonna be chilling later also on the beach, because when it's sunny it's also a lot warmer. Before I head back home, let me show you more of the sea and the beach towards the sandy beach. I just can't believe I'm the only one, and it's still summer technically, but it's Thursday and it's 2:30 p.m. so yeah, not so many people will be out right now, but even later depends on the weather. I guess most of the people have given up here in Sweden on summer, but not me. I'm gonna be swimming in the waters even when it is colder than this. I see lots of I'm not sure what this is, but green material around, algae perhaps. So I'm not gonna be that long in the water. Okay, I was right, almost right. I think it's 16 degrees, it says 16 degrees in the water, so chilly considering that yesterday it was 19 in the lake Apaten that I visited on the World Lake Day. So let me clear a bit the algae before I go in. while I show you around the beautiful Erstavik's ballet in Nacka, Stockholm. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so we are ready for a dip here in the sea in Erstavik. So ready, set, and go! Whew. So refreshing and nice. Yes, the sea is the best for sure. You can really feel that sea feeling. Okay, so this is my view and beach for today here in Erstavik. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure tomorrow on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.